Let me show you how you can integrate Kuicklist with ProductDyno. Once you are inside your Kuicklist account, click on your name and click on My Account. Once you are inside this page, you will see this API key. Copy this API key from here, go back to your ProductDyno account, click on Global Integrations and then Other Integrations. Then you will see this Add Your Integration. Click on this and select Kuicklist from the drop down. Give it any name do you want. It is just for your reference only, and paste the API key here. I already have connected one Kuicklist account, so let me show you what happens next. I believe you must have created some checklist inside your Kuicklist account. So what I mean is, if you click on these folders, I already have a lot of checklist here. So how you can import or embed a particular checklist inside ProductDyno. Let's go to any product. I already have one product with this marketing checklists, and if you go to the content designer of any inside any product, you can see that you have multiple sections here. So what you can do is click on any section, any content that you want. So in this case, I have this checklist 06 that is null. What I can do here is just simply drag this Kuicklist icon here, and it will show me a drop down, and it will ask me to select a Kuicklist account. Actually, I can integrate multiple Kuicklist account if I have, but in this case, since I have only one Kuicklist account integrated, so it shows me only one. Select this one, and once you select it, it will show all of your checklist without any further steps. So you can see this default, this marketing checklist one, travel. These are the folder names from Kuicklist, and these are the checklists under my Kuicklist account. So what I can do is I might just select whatever I want and click this add button, and that's all. So it's as simple as that, selecting the checklist and you are done. What you can do with these checklist, so because you are inside ProductDyno and ProductDyno protects your content, so what you can do is you can easily sell this checklist if you want. Let me show you how my account looks like. So I'm inside this ProductDyno product, and you can see I already have these 5 checklists. So my customers will see this as their product, and if I want, I can just simply sell this checklist to my customers. To sell these products, of course, you can go back to ProductDyno and create a checkout for it, like inside payment gateways. So you can create a checkout and you can sell your product. So that's how you integrate Kuicklist with ProductDyno. I will see you in the next video.